The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. 3/8 inch 3-jaw chuck. 265 inch-pounds of max torque. 20 plus 1 clutch settings. Powerful 2-speed gearbox. Easy to read charge indicator. Powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size, a tool for any job, the power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver.
Bosch, invented for life.
The Makita subcompact is very lightweight. I liked it. I like the speed, the gears that it has. I would use a tool like this for overhead driving screws. If we do this kind of work all the time, this would be a good tool for it. The brushless motor felt strong. It felt like the new way of going. All seriousness, I would use it at home. It's new, it's light, it looks awesome. I like the color.
In our trade, in any trade, time is of essence, so the faster it charges, the quicker I could swap batteries and get back to work. If it's interchangeable with every power tool I have, that's obviously convenient, so I don't have to have multiple chargers, multiple batteries.
It's very important that I have one battery and one charger that powers up multiple tools. All day long I switch off from an impact to a drill motor to a circular saw, and having one battery platform for all those tools is very important.
This compact drill fits in really tight space. It's got 18 volts. This particular battery is small, lightweight, makes this tool very versatile. If I need a longer battery life, I just grab the bigger battery. It's not too heavy on the bottom, so you're not working your wrist, and it's easy to navigate up into a tight spot.
The new assist mode is great. I can see the benefit all day long and all the different screws that we use. Not stripping them out. When they jam, the assist mode helps. You're not ruining bolts all day. The speed was there. The variable speed control gives us help for different situations. I would totally buy the Makita subcompact. It's smaller, it's lighter, power's there. It's still an 18-volt battery, but it's lighter and it's more compact, so it's easier to use.
This is Hitachi's 18-volt lithium-ion driver drill, model DS18DGL. It's powered by a lithium-ion battery that delivers fade-free power, is lightweight, and has 3 times the total battery life of a traditional battery. It produces up to 400 inch-pounds of torque and is designed to handle most any drilling or driving application. For maximum bit grip and easy bit changes, the drill is equipped with a single sleeve ratcheting keyless 1/2 inch chuck. At the base of the chuck is a 22-position clutch with drill mode, so you can properly match the torque to the application. It's got 2-speed gearing. With the low setting, the tool will operate at 0 to 450 RPM, ideal for driving fasteners. In the high mode, it delivers from 0 to 1250 RPM, which is ideal for drilling applications. A responsive variable speed trigger provides complete control during operation. For convenience, a bright LED light is incorporated for visibility in dark or enclosed workspaces. On-tool bit storage keeps a bit close at hand if and when you need it. It features a soft, ergonomically designed handle due to the slide battery design that offers an optimal grip circumference for more comfortable use. Lightweight at just 3.7 pounds and well balanced, this cordless drill from Hitachi is easy to use and won't disappoint. It comes with Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty, 2-year lithium-ion battery warranty, and 1-year lithium-ion charger warranty. Additionally, you get 2 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, a charger, 2-sided No. 2 Phillips bit, and a carrying case for storage.
Introducing the next generation of XR professional power tools by DeWalt. The most compact, best performing brushless drills and impact drivers we've ever designed. The compact drill and impact driver feature optimized brushless motors for up to 30% faster application speeds. The compact drill has a brighter LED light that's up to 20 times brighter and can be used as a 20-minute task light in spotlight mode. The compact impact driver features precision drive torque control, engineered to help prevent stripped fasteners. This drill performs above its size and weight, capable of applications not possible with our last generation XR compact drill. And thanks to the Performance Tune next generation XR brushless motor, applications are performed up to 30% faster. Because when it comes to your workday, faster is better. Both powered by 20-volt max extreme runtime lithium-ion batteries, the DCD791, DCD796, and DCF887, with next-generation DeWalt XR brushless motors, designed to meet your needs, engineered to outperform, and built guaranteed tough by DeWalt.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.